Section 2. Word Clustering. In this section, we will build word clusters with TensorFlow and visualize them with TensorBoard, an online tool that enables interactive cluster visualization. In this video, we will look at data preparation. In our previous example, when depicting the essential architecture for a text classifier, we mentioned as a first layer the word embedding that would map our words into an embedding space. Well, this will be a key concept in this section. Starting from an original hypothetical space in which every word represents a dimension, we want to get a continuous vector space with much lower dimension. Each word will be represented in this space. Once we have this, we can perform the typical operations that you would do in a continuous vector space. For example, distance between vectors. If our vectors represent words, then the distance will represent the distance between words. This will allow us to do word clusters. The data that we will use is the New York Times user comments from Kaggle dataset that we used previously in the text processing steps of our language classifier. This dataset, apart from the comment, has a column that refers to the topic, and this is useful because we can train a model on this. What is the procedure then? First of all, get the text and process it. Then we train the comments on the topic, we get the embedding space of the words, and then finally create a nice interactive dashboard with TensorBoard to verify if the embedding reflects a logical semantic space. The first 3 points are the same as described in the language classifier section. So, let's move directly to the notebook and implement them. Let's create an embedding space.